Hello, my viewers. This is a video about Injera. When I travel across Africa, I always want to taste every local food. So I recently went to Eritrea. It's an East African country, and I found this food called Injera. Injera. I don't know whether I pronounce it very well. They should forgive me for that. And it's a sourdough risen flattened bread, with a slightly sponge its texture, as you can see. Um, and it's traditionally made of a plant called teff. I never knew, I never knew that there is a cereal called teff. So teff is like I think it is like a wheat, wheat plant, and they make flour from it, and after making flour, then they will cook the injera from that, and it's the same way like you cook a pancake. So it's made the same way. So this is the injera is the traditional food from for Ethiopia and Eritrea, and I learned also that in some other country like Djibouti, Somalia, Sudan, apparently there is another variation of this injera. So I ordered one plate of injera, but I was surprised to see that they bring me a full 60 centimeter almost plate. uh, they say that's the normal order. There's no half or quarter, whatever. So here in Eritrea, usually that's what they bring if you order injera. I was really surprised. And it was too big and I could not finish it. I only took half. And it is eaten with a lot of stew. You can order stew of different lentil or whatever. Me, I prefer to take it with fish stew, and it was very delicious and lovely. I loved it really. And next time you come to Ethiopia or to Eritrea, just order your injera and subscribe to my channel for more video about Eritrea, and you will like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.